Hello guys, in next 5 minutes we are going to see the same iris model but with unsupervised learning method, that is Kmeans. There are other unsupervised learning methods like SOM, hierarchical clustering and others, but today we are going to see in next 4 minutes just Kmeans clustering. Let me share my screen. So first thing, we import pandas as PD from sklearn dot clusters, import K means. Okay, let me import matplotlib for graphical representation as PLD. Perfect. Let us take out data from Wikipedia. df is equal to pd dot read underscore html. Wikipedia iris data. Just copy this and paste it here. And I want first table. Let's see df dot head. Perfect. Now I do not want dataset order and I do not want species. That's the beauty of K-means clustering. So df equal to df dot drop. What you drop dataset order and you drop species with axis 1. Check for df dot head. So what I'm doing, I'm dropping these two columns, dataset order and species. Perfect. Now first two steps are done. Third step is model selection. So model is equal to K means with n clusters equal to 3. So basically, okay, perfect. Then what we do, model dot fit with df as data, run this, perfect. Predict is equal to model dot predict and give some data. I will just take this data, put it here. I will give comma in between. I will add one more column, df name as cluster. And what I will do is that I will give it the model labels. And now let's plot it. Plot dot scatter. In scatter plot, what I want from df, I want petal length, comma, I want petal width, and we will use cluster as C. And I will just say plot dot show, run this, beautiful. So when we made three clusters, 1, 2, and 3 different colors came here. So we know that this is one group, this is another group, and this is group number 3. We can do much more, wherein if we click here, it will show you whether it is Setosa, versicolor, or vernacular. But that's not important. What is important is that we can see that there are 3 different clear-cut classes. I hope you have enjoyed this session. If you want some more help, please write it in comment. I will definitely try to answer you. Thank you very much.